Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to customize the spinner widget. The spinner widget is really fun. You can create any type of review game for vocabulary, elements of a story, or really anything you want your students to recall from memory. I'd love it if you give the spinner widget a try with your students and share your experience via Twitter or really any other of our social media applications as listed here. So to get to the spinner widget, we simply go to our gallery right here, second tab. We type in widgets, click search, and right here under interactive and multimedia, we see that we have 5 different widgets to choose from. My first Teddy's Tips video focused on pull tabs. So today I'm specifically going to talk about the spinner. I'm going to click and drag it over. And you can click and drag over any of these widgets as well as customize them. So with this widget, I would like to customize it, for example, for elements of a story, of which there are 7, but maybe I just want to focus on certain ones, maybe like 4 or 5 that I think my students are struggling with. So setting could be one, as well as characters, the conflict of the story, the plot, and maybe I'll add another segment for, let's say, the point of view. And now, when I'm done, I can even make it larger, maybe centered on the page like I like to do. And then my students would simply come up and spin the spinner. And so whoever comes up in my class, for example, would spin and then tell me what it lands on. So setting, I'd like to know what the setting of the story we just read was. Then that student would perhaps pick another student to keep it exciting, and that student would tell us about the point of view, etc. And as you can see, this is something that can be repurposed for any short story that I read in my class at any time. So I just save the file and pull it up whenever I want to review elements of a short story. And that's it. I hope you give it a try and let me know how it goes.